Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a line to your resume in Word document. So let's start. You can see here I add one line after the resume name. So let's see how it's done. I simply write here the resume. Okay, then go to the home tab in paragraph scope in borders. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the borders and shadings. Okay, then you can see the borders and shadings dialog box is open. Then click on the borders tab, and here the select of the style of border, so I select this one. And here the colors, if you want to select the color you can select here. And the thickness, if you want to increase the thickness you can increase here. If you want to decrease you can select accordingly, so I select this one. In preview you can see the border is showing on all pages, full page. Okay, so here on top side I don't want border, left right I don't want border, I want border only after the text. Okay, under the text. Okay, so here this border only showing on the preview. After that, apply to the paragraph. Click on the drop down arrow and select the paragraph option and click on OK, and that's it. You can see the line is added to your resume in Word. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.